Everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's windy out, so I apologize for that. Wanted to give you a little update on the Ford 660 tractor. I did a few things to it. I'm getting ready to fire it off and see if it'll start. I rewired the alternator. I looked at Tractor Man, I think his name's 45, something on YouTube, and he told us how to rewire it and use a diode up here. I cleaned the air cleaner, put new oil in it. I bought a new carburetor and put on it. It was cheaper than rebuilding it. I cleaned the tank out, put a cutoff valve on it. I'm going to open that thing up, have it fill up the carburetor. I talked to a couple of people and they said that it was okay to use this small clear filter right there instead of the settlement bulb. If you walk around with me to the back, I did a few things that aren't necessary to make it run, but I did put a new pivot lever right here on the back. It was broken and it had been welded together, and so I wanted one there. I've been working on it here. I put a light on here and I put me a flashing orange red that I'm going to wire up with a switch up there. And ready to get it off of the trailer. Over here on this side, I put new tires on it. I did a video on changing the wheel bearings, so if you want to know how to change the wheel bearings, you can actually check out my other video. I changed the wheel bearings on both sides. Put a tie rod in on it. I put new points, condenser, rotor. The cap looked good. I put new wires on it, and I put new spark plugs in it, and I put a new battery on it. I put a spanner on it for me, a spinner on the steering wheel. Put a knob on the shifter, changed the shifter around. The shifter was all the way around on the other side. The Woodruff key in there was gone. Thanks to one of you guys who watched the channel and told me about that. I really appreciate that. Cleaned the gas tank out, and this bumper was on my old 3000, and whenever I put the front loader on it, I didn't need it any longer, so I put this bumper on it. So let's climb up here and see if I can choke it and get it started. I don't think this thing's been started in 15 years, 13 to 15 years. So here goes, choke it. Not bad for 13 to 15 years. Needs a muffler, which is okay. And oh, by the way, I put me a seat cover on it. Let's see if the hydraulics work. They're going back down slowly. I can see that I need to adjust the clutch because I cannot get it in gear, at least right now. So I'm going to have to do a little adjustment on the clutch, come back and see if we can get it in gear and get it started, drive it around. Leaking a little antifreeze out of the top hose. Looks like I may need to replace it or put on a new clamp. Not bad for a 1957 model tractor that's set up for 15 years. Hey, thanks for coming along with us today. God bless you and have a super day.